The tops that I'm making for this box need to have a little slot in them because these are for a raffle, and I need a way of putting tickets into the box. So what I'm going to do is mark these lids up. I have two pairs of dividers here. This one's marked at 1 inch, and this one's marked at just a little bit, about a 1/2 inch more. So I have my triangle here, and I'm going to take the dividers, push it here, make a line, and then take the second pair of dividers and make a second line. Then I'm going to take the box like this, use the first dividers again to put one end for the hole, and I'll take the dividers and set it up here like this with the triangle so that I can put the triangle in the same place at the same distance and make this line. So now I have the marks on here for cutting the hole. I'll show you again. Put the dividers like that, draw the first line, the second pair of dividers, draw the second line, then I'm going to turn this over, draw, and I'll put it up here like this and catch the triangle like that. There, put it in position and make the second line like that. Now I'll do those in just a moment, but we'll cut one now. So I need a cutting board to protect the table because I'm going to use a hammer and a chisel to make the first cut. This is a 1/2 inch wide chisel, and this will make the first cut here like this. And make sure that it goes through. And do the second hole here, second cut. And then I'll take my triangle and my Alpha knife, and I'm going to put this right in the end of the cut and just draw a line. Now this is a guideline. I'm not cutting all the way through. I'll turn this around and with the triangle set that in place and make a guideline like this. So now I'll take the chisel again and I can set it right into the cut that the Alpha made and just move it along the cut . Turn it around here. And finish the cut here. And look there, we have the hole. So now I have a way of putting tickets into the box. So I'll show you covering these once I start to assemble the lids. Oh, and I wanted to add, I'm using the flat side of the chisel in the cut here so that the beveled side goes in toward the area that's going to be removed. So Okay, and the other thing I wanted to show you was like it does tend to like raise the surface up a little bit at the edges here like this. So I have the bone folder and I just rub those down like this to put it back in place after the cut's been made. There. All flat again. Now it's time to put the box together for the lid. I have a bar here against which I will be working, and here is the first piece. These are all the sides that are cut down for the top. So I'm going to glue this up. And stand this right here very sharply. And then I'm going to take this one, which is one of the short sides, and put that here. But I'm going to test now and make sure that it is square and right angles. And then I'll take this other side here. I'm going to put just a little bit of glue here because that's where the glue will go against the inside edge of this side, and do the bottom. Put that up. Make sure that it's right angles, and it's all the way out to the edge by pressing against the bar here. And then I'll do this one on all three sides. And drop this in place. And there we are with the top. And then that will fit on the box like this. So again, what I'll probably do here first is I'm going to do the long side. Put it together. One of the short sides, just glue up two edges. This up. And what I'll do this time is I'll put another short side in so I don't have to open up the box to put the short side in. I'll do all three sides here because I know I'm going to need that. And this time I could just do like this and run a little glue on the edge. And stand that up right here at the edge of the box. And pull this together here, push the base to make sure that that is like against the edge of the top. And we have our second lid. I'll finish the rest of these and then we will cover these.